Beowulf, back at it with another video. I'm finally jet ski. I know, you guys probably been like, when is he gonna do a jet ski video again? I've been patiently waiting. I was gonna drive home today, a day early from Orlando, Florida, because I'm trying to hunt down places to go and everything is like not that deep, or people say it's weedy, or somebody said it's full of alligators, and like, you know, it's trying to figure it out. And then I was gonna go to the ocean, this one area, and that was like 2 hours away, 2 hours to drive and 2 hours to get back, and I have my dogs at this rental house. It's just too much work. And then two, I was gonna go by Tampa, and the problem there was they got that red algae going on. It's killing marine life and all that kind of stuff, so I just didn't go that way. I'm going to Lake Harris. I don't know what the town is, but that's where I'm heading. And there is a chance, I don't know, I'm waiting here back because there's somebody I know that owns a house that they rent down in the Florida Keys. And there is a slight chance, I will know if you'll see if it happens or not. I don't know, I'm waiting to hear back. But I might, it's like 7 hours away from where I'm at right now. I might drive and spend a couple days and go ride in the Florida Keys. It's what I really want to do. I've seen that there's still like flooding going around back in South Carolina. And then my birthday, the main thing is my birthday's coming up, October 6th. There's no way I'm gonna be jet skiing back in the Myrtle Beach, Conway area anytime soon. Who knows when the water's coming down, and the biggest thing, the only thing I want to do on my birthday is to go jet skiing, and I'd be so bored going home, and I won't be able to jet ski on my birthday, and I won't be able to jet ski at all on my birthday. But I like to go down somewhere to do a little bit more riding than what I did, and also too, Florida. Like, I left Illinois to move to South Carolina. There's no tolls in South Carolina, and it costs to go through one toll $2.25. These tolls, come on, you guys are making enough money this state from theme parks and all that kind of tourist stuff. You don't need to be taxing people for these roads. And like, you tax them what for? Die, get stuck on a road like this is not going nowhere? Give me a break. But anyways, I might go to Florida Keys. Let's get going. I gotta pay attention to this GPS to figure out where I'm heading to get there. So I got both jet skis in the back, and it's a day to finally ride. I don't even know the last time it has to be early September, the last time I went riding. It's just way too long. So it's time to do a jet ski video. Woo! All right, in the water, Lake Harris, man. Oh, there's rain coming. This is just my luck. It's just my luck, but hey, I'm gonna still ride no matter what. I should run my helmet with. So let's get a little ride going. And man, this is good. Woo! Feels good being back in this jet ski. trying to launch the other jet ski before it gets too late, or it gets not too late. Rain's coming. Woo! I should have brought my helmet. You know, it's like, you know how to say Florida? Every day I check the weather. It says no rain, and it rains. It says 0% chance of rain today in this area, and I knew it. I knew it. My dad told me about to go to this lake. I was like, Dad, it is gonna rain. It's my luck. Sure enough, it's coming. It's coming. Yeehaw! I'm so glad to be in the water. Oh, I'm so happy. Alright, well, let's bring it in. Man, this is the sound of exhaust. Man, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Whew, it's nice to finally be back jet skiing. Missed it, man. It's been almost a month. Man, it's been weeks. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. To my existing subscribers, let's build this into a huge Beowulf nation. And I'll see you guys back in the next video. Peace out.